Check out this 2010 Toyota Corolla. You'll look super in this white one-owner Corolla S. This one is equipped with power windows, power locks, cruise, and much more. This sporty little car will take you wherever you want to go, and look good doing it. For more information on this specific model, please click our link to AutoBio. Here at Folsom Lake Toyota, only the best of the best are chosen to be Toyota certified used vehicles. The Toyota Certified program combines the confidence of purchasing a new vehicle with the value of a used vehicle to provide a like-new ownership experience. It offers you a smart alternative to traditional used car options and gives you the peace of mind you are looking for in a used vehicle. Industry-leading features include 160-point inspection with reconditioning to Toyota's exacting and strict standards, Carfax vehicle history report, a factory-backed warranty valid at over 1,400 dealerships across the U.S. and Canada that features 12-month/12,000-mile comprehensive platinum-level coverage, 7-year/100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, 1-year roadside assistance plan, a factory and dealer commitment to customer satisfaction, 24 to 84-month financing terms, depending on vehicle age, current new vehicle interest rates, and 0 down payment maximum advances. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $16,969. Contact the dealership today at 916-355-1500.